I'm super excited to share this brand new feature update with you that will now solve the missing piece of the puzzle, which is to create and combine multiple puzzles and create an activity book that you can directly sell, print, or publish on Amazon or anywhere you want. So, let me show you step by step. All right. So, let's say you want to do it. All you have to do is fast AI image designer under create design, and then you see the kids puzzle section, and under the kids puzzle sections now it's very simple, but you need to understand how it works. Okay, so let's say you need to first be very clear about what kind of activity book that you want to create, what kind of niche topic you want to pick. Do you want to do animal theme, 19